Title: Understanding Gay, Diverse Identity. Meaning: today, we're discussing the term gay. Gay is an adjective used to describe a person who is attracted romantically, emotionally, or sexually to individuals of the same gender. It's an important aspect of someone's identity. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gay is straightforward, gay, with a soft G sound and a long A. Historical context. The term gay has evolved in its usage and social acceptance over time. It's important to recognize that LGBTQ individuals have made significant strides in achieving equality and acceptance. Importance of understanding. Understanding the meaning of gay and respecting diverse identities is vital in promoting inclusivity and creating a more accepting society. Conclusion. In summary, gay is a term used to describe a person's sexual orientation. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, let's celebrate diversity and respect for all.